Hello guys, welcome to another piano tutorial lesson. So today I'm teaching you how to play Yeshua Hamashiach by Nathaniel Bassey. Alright, normally he sang the song the key of C. So I'm gonna play the song the key of C as well, then give you the full piano tutorial. Let's go guys. Yeshua Hamashiach, Lion of Judah, Agune Chemba, Yeshua Hamashiach, Lion of Judah, Agune Chemba, Yeshua Hamashiach, Lion of Judah, Agune Chemba, Yeshua Hamashiach, Lion of Judah, Agune Chemba. Alright guys, so it's a straightforward song. So the chord progression, we have the fourth, alright, that's F major. Alright, so I'm using the inversion. Alright, I omit this one, I'll play it up here, F. Alright, so play the broken chord F, C and F. Yeshua, that's F. Alright, F major, Hamashiach. Alright, 3 minor. Right, this is the broken chord 3, that's E, B and E. Alright, then the chord here is the inversion. Alright, that's C, E here, I omit it and I play it up here. Alright, so I have G, B and E. Alright, which gives me that. Alright, so Yeshua, F major. Okay, Hamashiach, 3 minor, Lion of Judah, 3 minor, Agune Chemba. Alright, A minor. Alright, A minor, that's A, E and A, broken chord. Alright, then on my right I'm playing the first inversion as C, E and A. Alright, then I go to the 5. Alright, 5 is a broken chord, then now the inversion as well. This is my 5, the broken chord. Alright, that's B, E, Z and G. Alright, so take it again. Yesu, F major, Hamashiach, 3 minor, Lion of Judah, 3 minor, remain there. Agune Chemba, A minor, Yeshua. Alright, G major, Hamashiach. I go back to A minor, Lion of Judah, G major, Hamashiach. Alright, Lion of Judah, that's A minor. That's all about the chord progression, guys. So it's a very straightforward and beautiful worship song. Please do well to subscribe for more videos. God bless you.